Welcome back. Let's take a look at today's comments. Let's get straight into it. Kate says, scary months ahead. With all these bearish trends ahead, yes, we see some clear bearish chart patterns across the top coins. So, I'm just telling everybody as I see it. I think there's much more downside. So, stay safe, stay safe. All gems, could be though. As in like, once things drop, right, and for coins that are valuable with solid fundamentals, it'll be a good idea to start accumulating, right? Thank you, Skinny. You're welcome. You are welcome. We broke those $20 mark. Congratulations, you hit it. Yes, sir. We hit it. So I hope that you took profits. Maybe you don't want to sell everything. You can take some profits. So yes, sir. The boys and I had a good trade with AIMBOT. So AIMBOT. 10 days ago, I think if you look at date 22, today is the 1st of September. About 10 days ago, we had a target over here, $18. Ta-da! Target has been hit. Usually, when coins are in a very bullish trend, it tends to overshoot. We overachieve targets when this kind of a very strong bullish trend happens. But you want to be very careful. Why? Because look at the volume. When you see high volume, right? This means that potentially the end may not be too far away, right? At this point of time, when you see, green candles, right, you may be blinded by greed and you may think that things might go to, $1 million or something. Yeah, but it's not. Nope. It's not. Figures on the left. Yo, bro. Okay, so if you look at AIMBOT, right, the market cap is 20 million. Can it still go higher? Of course. But would it be wise to secure some profits over here? Of course. Should we wait for some consolidation first before adding to whatever positions? Yes, sure, of course. But of course, could we also see things just keep rising higher and higher? And again, yes, of course. For it to go to 100 million market cap, AIMBOT has to go to $100. But anyway, from a technical perspective, once you see high volume, right, you want to be very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. This is the highest volume ever, right, on the day, on the 30th of August. Highest volume ever. And again, over here, on the 7th of August, we had the highest volume ever. And after that, volume started dropping. And then, things just started, there was a proper correction that came, right? We dropped 64%. 64 freaking percent. Okay, because I'm seeing it from a bigger time frame. So you won't see it. 64%, right? 67, yes, is about less than 70%. So again, high volume over here. I wonder whose volume this is. Be careful though. Be wise to secure some profits. So there you go. There you freaking go. Getting scared. Thought things might start to improve in the crypto markets. I think there probably will be some downside first before we see any sorts of upside. So I'll probably see it, if things were to start turning bullishly, right? If you see strong buying pressure, if we start seeing bullish reversal chart patterns, right? Bottomings. Some chart patterns are bullish, some chart patterns are bearish, but at this point of time, I think more likely than not, we're going down, right? Fibo says, thanks, Skinny. You are awesome. You are welcome. Romano says, it's not looking good, bro. Yes, sir, it's not. Funny how everyone turns bullish after one pump. Yeah, it'd be great to detach yourself emotionally so you can make objective decisions. Fima says, this needs to be updated. Great prediction. Thank you very much. Hello, bro. Can you do Gala next? There's nothing much happening on Gala. Fimala says, Skinny, please, could you check Akropolis? Yeah, I know. I was looking at Akropolis. To be honest, the boys and I actually had Akropolis in our watch list, so we were looking at it, and Akropolis has already done everything there is, and you don't want to be trading coins, right, when it has already pumped. You move when things, before things start pumping, like for example, AIMBOT, right, we were talking about AIMBOT, where was this? 22nd of August, we were talking about AIMBOT, right, which was around here. If the moment you saw the video, you made an entry, it's like, hey, this is exactly how you do things, right? It's not like now that people are aware of AIMBOT, and then only now do you want to make a move for AIMBOT. At this point of time, very bad idea, right? Same thing for Akropolis. Akropolis had a very nice ABCDE, right? Or you can call this an inverse head and shoulders. A bit messy, but you have to cut through, wicks here and there. But yeah. Anyway, there are several targets to Akropolis, and all targets have already been hit. Again, we're already severely overbought. Severely overbought, like AIMBOT. Severely overbought, right? And there is a lower high on the RSI, so there is some weakness coming on. You can feel the weakness. So yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to be making moves when things are rising. Bad idea. So you should take this as a lesson, you know, make entries before the rise, right? Once things has risen, you next to the coin, just next the coin. Where is this? Jordan Web Factory says, hold Filecoin for explosion. Yes, good luck to you. Monkey Magic says, Optimism has a ton of network inflation coming in over the next year too. Yeah, so Optimism, it's not really that good. We'll take a look at it later. And yeah, let's go. Let's take a look at the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Optimism against BTC. Let's look at Optimism. Yeah, so Optimism, we were saying that more likely than not, will probably drop lower to sweep up these two lows, right? We're under the skinny pink line. So we are with a bearish bias for Optimism BTC. More downside is to be expected. Op USDT, yeah, more downside as well. We are also under the skinny pink line. So more downside for Optimism against USD as well. I suspect we will also be taking out these lows, right? And this is already a mountain range. It looks something like a head and shoulders already. Do you see it? Left shoulder, head. We're dropping. We're not oversold yet, so which means that we could still drop lower. But Optimism is not looking good. It's just not looking good. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Optimism, right? Near protocol, near BTC. Okay, now near is a bit. Okay, near has position. Near has potential for a reversal, right? If you look at near BTC, there is already a. Okay, wait. We were saying that more likely than not, we'll take out these lows, right? In the past, we were saying that probably we're around here. So I was saying, near, I think probably we'll be taking out these lows. So we've already taken out the lows. We're going to remove the arrows. And you can see there is a double bullish divergence, right? Higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI, but lower low on the price. There could be a reversal coming on. Of course, we could also get a triple bullish divergence, right? We could also still zip lower. And this could also be a, higher low on the MACD and also a higher low on the RSI. Absolutely possible. But yeah, again, because the whole, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, right, if Bitcoin is showing bearish tendencies, then more likely than not, we should be seeing more downside for near BTC. I'm not saying that we can't see a rally for near BTC. I'm saying that there is a risk because BTC is still bearish. Near against USDT, the reason is because when BTC drops, it's going to pull everyone down together with it. Oh, it just started raining. That's how it is in a tropical, when you live in a tropical, country. It's always either rain or sunshine or rain. Yeah, either one. Anyway, for near USD, we were saying we're gonna take out these lows. We've already zipped lower, taken out these lows. More downside to be expected. I think so. We also got a double bullish divergence over here for near USD. Lower low on the price, but higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. So a reversal, yes, expected for near USD. But again, the risk is also there that near could still drop lower. So that's why you got to be very, very careful before you commit into a trade for near, right? We're still under the skinny pink line. Sure, we're already severely oversold. And sure, there could be a rally soon. But this is not exactly a bullish chart pattern. If anything, this is a bearish continuation towards the downside. We got a descending triangle over here. Do you see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, pump, we drop lower, right? I think there's still more downside for near, so yeah, be very careful, right? But with that being said, I think the end may not be too far away for near, so yeah, there we go. We will revisit near if and when the time comes. Maker against BTC. Here we are for Maker. Okay, so for Maker, I like what I see on Maker. So Maker is almost completing the ABCDE, and this is a gigantic ABCDE. It's 1,600 days, absolutely big, 4+ years ABCDE. So A, B, C. We're on our way to completing a D, and then maybe a E, and then pump. And moreover, one more thing is that we are also above the skinny pink line. So I have pretty good feelings about Maker BTC, but it's very important we stay above the skinny pink line. We must not drop back lower. It's very important, very, very important that we don't drop back lower. So this is good. So it'd be wise to switch our bias to bullish for Maker BTC. The only thing is, would be great though if we get a proper consolidation over here, right? From a trading perspective, this is not really that good, right? The reason is because this could become a higher high, right? And you look at the MACD, look at the weakness on the MACD. It could be a lower high, and it could also be a lower high on the RSI as well. So this could be a double bearish divergence. There could be a reversal coming on. If Maker continues to consolidate over here, then that would be the best thing that could happen. But again, we'll have to see how things go, right? It's just not really ripe for the picking yet. The apple is still raw. Maker against USD, we are above the skinny pink line. So I like what I see, to be honest. I absolutely like what I see. We have a 1008 target, and we expect a continuation towards the upside. So maybe the whales of Maker could bless us with some sort of a high quality consolidation over here. But again, we are not entirely sure, so we'll have to proceed with caution at this point of time. Because if BTC drops, there is a high likelihood of Maker being pulled back lower. So yeah, again, we are not entirely sure though what kind of a chart pattern we're gonna get. Of course, we could just zip up like that to hit the 1008, but yeah, we're traders, so we're risk averse, and we would like to see some conditions being met first before we make a move for Maker, before we call more continuation, right? More likely than not, we should continue, but the timing of things is of utmost importance. The graph, let's look at graph GRT BTC. Here we go for the graph. Any tradable chart pattern? Nope. Graph USD. Anything for us to work with? Nope. AAVE BTC. Here we are for AAVE. Anything? Yeah, no, I think we're going to take out these lows. No, only Maker is the one that's alive. AAVE is not really alive. So, yeah. Nope. Nothing much for AAVE. AAVE USDT. Yeah, so AAVE could still drop lower, sweep up all of these lows, and then we have a strong rally after that. Maybe? Yes? No? Not entirely sure. Once we sweep up these lows, right, so I will consider this as invalidated, right? Even when we start, reversing, then we'll get targets again, but once this happens, we take out these lows, we invalidate this, right? So we'll see how it goes, right? We may not take out these lows, right? We may just rally back up and break higher from here for AAVE. Absolutely possible. So yeah, proceed with caution. XDC against BTC. We'll look at it on KuCoin. Anything for XDC? Yeah, I kind of like what I see, but XDC has to drop back down. We are above the skinny pink line, so the bias is really bullish. But how much higher are we going to go? No idea. Any targets? Nope. XDC against USD. KuCoin. Hey, targets have been hit. So, yes, sir. Yeah, the reason why we got this target was because of the inverse head and shoulders. Something like a right shoulder. Right. We broke out, retested the skinny pink line, zip up. Woohoo! Yeah, we are expecting a continuation here. Right. If anything, look very carefully. This is a 1, down 2, up 3, down 4. Next wave is a wave 5. So how much higher do I think we can go? If I had to guess, I think we'll probably take out these highs at 12 cents. We may even go to 15 cents. But yeah, this could be a 100% move for XDC. There could be more upside. Probably a wave 5. Yeah, but would be great if we see a consolidation first. So XDC is gonna do well. But I don't think we're gonna take out these highs. We could, but I would prefer it if XDC, yeah, comes back down, right? So again, we'll take things one step at a time. XDC is an outlier. WhiteBIT Coin WBT, BTC. Let's look at it on WhiteBIT. Anything? Nope. I can call this an ascending. Ta-da! Value 1, value 2, value 3, out, retest, out. Break skinny pink line? Yes, no? Not too sure. We are not too sure. WPT, USDT, look at it on a WhiteBIT, obviously. Anything? No. Feels to me like we're curving back down. Can you see the curve coming on? There's a curve. There's a curve. Not looking good, not looking good. Yeah, the skinny pink kind is acting as proper resistance. So, I don't know, nothing much for WBT. So I'd be very, very careful. Algorand, oh my god. But, if you look at Algorand carefully, okay, we were saying that we're going to take out these lows. We actually zip lower, took out these lows. If you look at Algorand, there's already a triple bullish divergence. Lower low, lower low, lower low on the price, but higher low, higher low, higher low on the MACD, higher low, higher low, higher low on the RSI. There could be a strong rally coming on for Algo BDC. A strong rally. But history doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. If you look at the past, there was also a double bullish divergence over here. Right. Higher low on the MACD, higher low on the price, lower low on the lower low on the price, right? So if we took this, let's say we see a double bullish divergence, oh, jump in, right? Yeah, bro, we dropped almost 50%. I don't think it's a good idea to make moves just because we see bullish divergences. We need to see proper, high quality reversal chart patterns before we make any move, right? Again, no guarantees. Algo could just keep dropping lower as well. Yes, we are severely oversold, and yes, there could be a strong rally, but you have no idea how low we can go, right? Just because we're oversold doesn't mean we can't keep dropping lower and 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 lower as well. The point is we just don't know. So yeah, I don't see that reversal yet. Algo USDT. Here we are for Algo. Okay, same thing. We're saying we're going to take out these lows. We took out these lows with this particular move. Zip. But again, just like the BDC pair, Algo is also showing double bullish divergences. Lower low on the price, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. Do you see that? Yeah, there could be a reversal soon for Algo. But the question is when, right? And even if we were to reverse, where we're going to take profits, right? Probably there'll be some resistance over here. So yeah, if there's a rally and if you do decide to ape in, I wouldn't, but if you do decide to ape in, yeah, there'll probably some resistance here, right? But if you look at the past, when we have rallies, right, we rally about 82%, bottom to height will be about 58%, 82, 58. After that, it's all just dead cat bounces. Yeah, I don't think so. Algo is a very weak coin at the moment. It's very, very weak. So I'm not so sure what Silvio Micali is doing. So not good, not good. So yeah, stay safe, don't rush into anything. Doesn't matter if you're late. I suspect that even if you were to see a rally, there will still be a very deep retrace coming on for Algo. What we want to see is once a bearish trend ends, we want to see something go sideways for a while before heading back up, right? XDC is a very good example, which we just went past, right? Downwards trend, sideways for a while, pump, we're up. Very good example. And if you look at the Algo, we are not there yet. We're still in a downwards trend. Where is that sideways? Yeah, we want to see the sideways first before this happens, right? So there you freaking go. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 50 cryptocurrencies TA by market cap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!